All right, guys. For those who were asking me about how do you install or you made the plumbing connection for that beautiful Chinese-made sink, stainless 300. That's really nice. So the sink I have here is this one. It's really beautiful, sexy. Your waterfall here. I have it. I had a video on my website already, guys. Your soap thing here, water, different shit, different vibe. Very nice. Can't complain about this at all. No way to complain. Nothing is really nice. But the most important thing I like is the glass thing. See this beautiful thing here. Glass easily. But my point is to show you how the plumbing basically works. Give me a second here. So, that's some water. Come on. Okay, so I put. Stopper right here. Okay, that's your drain stopper. This black thing here. All right, so it connect already, with your drain. So what nice with this thing, you don't really have like a drain tailpiece. It's basically like that part. It's what like your drain tailpiece. Run it then and that's it. So, and then comes your P trap. So, well, this one the clean out in the P trap is like the whole thing here. It's a P trap. So as you can see in here, you may see a lot of dirt and everything. So you try to clean that, every 3-4 months, depending how often you use your kitchen and what type of food you eat. How you clean up your plate and everything. So you can just remove that and clean it out easily. So you don't need like a special tool. Just turn it with your hands and remove it there. But the main question people always ask, and they're kind of curious about how to do so, is the connection. The slip joint nut is there. Okay, this is it right here, the slip joint nut, and then you have a tube run and goes all the way to your main house drain. Is connect right in there. So people ask, how do you make that connect there? And basically, it's works like a dishwasher. Oh, no, not dishwasher. Yeah, like a washing machine. So you install this. You don't have to glue it. You can just push it in. Okay, and then that basically you put it inside. You can twist it, remove it. See, I remove it, right? I got my inside here, or you just put it back in, because whatever portion the water comes from, he won't move that at all. That's gonna stay that's what it is. It's not complicated. And you have a second pipe right here for the overflow. That little piece is right here. So if you fill up your sink, overflow is gonna go right there, comes out to this tube and go directly to your drain and goes down here. Basically that's what it is, guys, for the plumbing of this sink. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys another time. Please check out the video where I show you how to install this sink, how to put everything, line up everything in less than 10 minutes, guys. You'll be amazed to see that. So it's a great sink. I didn't get paid to promote that, but hey, if you like the new feature, just go for it. All right, thanks again. I'll catch you later.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even